How to turn off autofill on Android device. Hey guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to turn off the autofill on your Android device. Autofill can be handy at times, but it can also be frustrating when it fills the wrong information or suggests incorrect words. Luckily, it's quick and easy to disable this feature. To get started, first of all you need to open settings. Here you need to scroll down. You will see an option of privacy. Click on it. Then you will see an option of advanced. You need to tap on it. Then click on autofill service from Google. Here you will see a switch. You simply need to toggle on the switch over here and switch it off. Go back. So that wrap up this tutorial. If you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.